it 100%, and maybe you're like fucking there, I don't know. Today we're getting married. Finally. And we're getting Starbucks, and we're doing a lot of errands, and we're getting a hotel room.
Don't show that.
And we're getting a hotel room.
Got our breakfast.
And then after this, it is off to the courthouse by the mountains in Golden. We've made it to the train station. Saoirse loves trains so much. She's really good at staying under and in this position, but on a train, she just wants to sniff and look out the aisle. We're working on it. Next stop, Jefferson County Courthouse. Yay! Yay! Yay!
Welcome aboard RTD Commuter Rail. This is the G line to Union Station.
We made it to the courthouse. Look how pretty and big it is. It's big as my love for you. Happy wedding day. That's fine. You were fucking jerking off right next to me, so I will put you on fucking camera.
Oh, because I don't do no running, and I don't do no hiding or no stuff like that on camera. So record this. Let me get it.
Yeah, I do it for my safety.
Hold on, record this. Not jacking off. Never put. First of all.
Yeah, you did. You lifted your fucking hands up and put your hand in your fucking pants.
Wait, watch your mouth. First of all.
No, because you don't do that in front of people in public, especially in front of women. As a fucking man, you're nasty.
First of all, I'm a big time player with a family.
I don't care,
with
player.
Plenty of respect for a woman.
I
So
hear
what
player.
you're saying?
Yeah, I think I will. Go ahead and get your phone out.
Yes, please do. That's fine.
I'm not fucking lying.
Why would I be jerking off?
Why can't you go sit the fuck down? Go touch yourself over there.
Because you pull up.
Well, I didn't have to close down here. I'm worried for my safety. That's why I'm getting off the train. I don't have it.
I'm getting on the front of the fucking train and I'm gonna tell him. So we made it on the train. In the last clip, you've seen how we got on the train. So now it's some deep pressure therapy from Saoirse because I feel like I want to kill someone. And we just try to calm down. Jesus Christ. Hey guys. We have made it back to the house, put the pups in the kennel. Good job today, Tutu. And we're gonna smoke. And we're gonna go to Walmart. And we're gonna get some stuff. And then we're gonna go to the hotel. Yay! Let's go! Let's go! secured the wedding day goods, cat food, cat litter, some gay stuff for a cake we bought. Oh,
And Anthony.
and Anthony. Look how cute he is. Our wedding child, Anthony.
Anthony.
Oh, after the day we've had, Anthony, you need to bring us some good luck, buddy.
Just wait till you see our cake later.
We made it to the train stop. Finally, it's dark outside. Eating some avocados. We got our cart full of stuff. 2 kitty cats hidden inside of there because they want to sleep in a hotel too. And our tutu. Mitsuki's got to come later because we cannot do it all at the same time. But we're on our way. We have made it to our hotel / studio apartment. I didn't know this is what I was renting.
Only, what was it, $120 a night? Only.
Look at him. Oh my gosh.
Aw, it's
He said, I'll pose for the vlog. I'll pose for the vlog. Little do you know, it's just catnip. Anthony, chilling on the bed. It's beautiful. I paid for a mountain view. They didn't give us a mountain view, so.
Well, it might be mountains in the daytime. We just can't see it because it's dark.
I don't see any mountains. I don't see no ridge line. I see sky. So. As we sign it. Oh no, don't steal that. Don't steal that. I'm pretty sure we just put parties of the marriage. We don't print our names. Oh shit.
Don't do this.
I'm fucking shaming him out. Fishing it now.
Oh, it's because you gave me a fucking shot and you told me to write our fucking marriage license.
I just told you to sign right there. And don't do anything else because I
It
could already
says
tell.
print, and my brain said print. It just said print, and I just said print. Now you just have to fucking put your name too, so it looks fucking right.
I have to put parties.
Babe, I fucked up on our marriage license. I'm gonna cry.
It's okay, let me think about how to fix it.
Yellow. Oh boy.
Actually, Jamie turns into parties perfectly. Now I have to figure out how to do marriage. Parties to Bella to.
Sorry, Gigi.
I don't know what to do. Okay, what do you do? What do you do? What do you do if all you took was 1 tequila shot and you leave your partner for 2 seconds with the pen and they fuck up your marriage license?
One single unit of the
You're not supposed to print your name right there. You're supposed to write parties to the marriage on that
she said we
line.
can write whatever we want. So now we have to write our name.
I'm gonna change the TV. We're gonna be figure out this situation. Oh, we'll come back.
That's so cute. I'm getting that tattooed 100%, and maybe you're like fucking there. I don't know. Is that not the cutest fucking thing ever? Let me see yours. That is so cute. Well, I told you we could get matching tattoos. Is this the one? This is the one. I win.
We finished. Oh, look, she's sagging a little bit. She's frozen there. We finished our wedding cake.
Oh my gosh. She's cute.
The just is a little messed up, so we put a little flower over the S. I think it's cute. Yay! Now we can eat ice cream cake and snuggle in bed.
Yeah.
You know watch TV? That's the end of the vlog. Peace, happiness, and a quiet little apartment to ourselves for 2 days.
Yeah. Happy wedding.
Happy wedding day.
Happy wedding day.
Cake and bedtime. Hotel breakfast.
Morning hotel breakfast. Wedding day breakfast.
Look how big it is. They had a big breakfast.
Yeah, tomorrow if we get there earlier, maybe we can get some bacon.
Oh, yeah.
It was out.
The bacon was empty. Freak.